Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's Man here. This is my, I'm guessing, probably mid to late 50s LAU 18-inch box fan. This is a 3-speed fan, but it only runs on high and medium. If you put it on low, it stalls out. This is an ongoing project of mine. It sat outside for over 20 years, laying out in someone's backyard. And with a lot of WD-40 and some love, I managed to get it running again. It's a miracle. This thing's a very well-built fan for sure. Very tough. It's powered by an F.A. Smith built Fastco motor. It's got a little 3-speed switch on the side. When I first got it, I thought it was reversible, but it's not. It's just a normal, like, forward fan. So it's pretty good though. You guys can see it runs pretty slow on medium. I've been running a medium for a lot lately. I got a lot of first I tried 3-in-1 oil and it was just making it worse. So then I sprayed in some B-Last or silicone spray lubricant, and that's making a big difference. It's loosening up a lot now that stuff's in there. Your oilers are filled. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed.